here, H.C. Verma Solutions, chapter number 3, Rest and Motion, Kinematics, question number 25. A stone is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 28 meters per second. Calculate A. Find the maximum height reached by the stone. B. Find its velocity 1 second before it reaches the maximum height. C. Does the answer of part B change if the initial speed is more than 28 meters per second, such as 40 meters per second or 80 meters per second? In this question, given a stone which is projected with a velocity 28 meters per second in the upward direction. So that is given. Which one we want to calculate? First one, that is maximum height reached by the stone. Second one, velocity of the stone 1 second before it reaches the maximum height. That means velocity of the stone 1 second before it reaches the maximum height. So that means this is 1 second before how much velocity it is having. At this particular point, what is the velocity? That I will take as V dash. V dash. That I want to calculate this one. Then afterwards, what is that here? If the initial velocity greater than 28, that is 40, 80, 60, 90, whatever it may be. So is the option B, this is changes or not? So that is the question given. So first of all, we want to answer A, maximum height reached by the stone. So that is maximum height reached by the stone, H is equal to U square by 2G. So U square means what is that here? 28 into 28 divided by 2 into 9.8. So here 28 into 28 divided by 19.6. So here 40 meters is the answer for option A. Now B, that is velocity of stone 1 second before it reaches the maximum height. First of all, we want to calculate how much time taken to reach the maximum height. So that means time of ascent is equal to U by G. So U means what is that? 28 divided by 9.8. Division of this one, that is 2.85 seconds. So here before 1 second, how much time? That is T dash is equal to time of ascent minus 1. So that means 2.85 minus 1 is equal to 1.85 seconds. So that is the time at this particular point. That means time taken by the ball to reach this particular point. So here we want to calculate velocity. So that means velocity V dash is equal to U plus A T. So here U means what is that? 28. So A means what is that? Minus 9.8 into 1.85 seconds. So here 28 minus 9.8 into 1.85 is equal to 18.13. So 28 minus 18.13 is equal to 9.87 meters per second. So this much amount of velocity of the stone which is having 1 second before it reaches the maximum height. Now C, for any velocity other than 28 meters per second, that acceleration is equal to minus G is equal to minus 9.8 meters per second square. So that means option B does not change with velocities 40 meters per second or 80 meters per second. This is the solution for question number 25.